Let's take a look at the grade simulator in Focus. There are multiple ways to get to it, but as a Focus pro tip, the easiest way is to go ahead and choose the student that you want, and then click on the Grades tab. If the detailed report appears, click on the View Grade Summary. This is where the simulator is going to live. Now, before we go any further, let's talk about that simulator. What it allows you to do is adjust grades or even enter hypothetical ones, and you can see how those changes are going to impact your student, all in a risk-free environment without changing any grade records or gradebook grades. So in order to do this, you're going to go ahead and click Simulate Grades, and then click Update. As soon as you do that, you notice that that top box has now changed to red. That's letting you know that you're in the simulator and that what you're doing is not going to stick or change the student's grade. So for me, I want to take a look at this world history course that I teach. If I scroll over to the side, I'm going to be able to see the grades that Luna currently has in my class and the blank spots for me to go ahead and adjust grades to see how this is going to affect her overall. So I can enter some grades here, just hypothetically, and you'll see those grades are red as well. Once I do that, I'm going to click Run Simulation. And then if I scroll back over to the side, I'm going to see what her calculated grade would be for me as well as her credits. Now I want you to notice it went ahead and calculated for 2 other courses as if there were zeros that were entered. So you're going to see that as well. And you could calculate for any course that the student is enrolled in. You can adjust these results at any point in time by clicking back on the red boxes, entering new grades, and running that simulation again. Or you can go back and cancel your simulation and start all over if that's what you choose. Once you do that, you're going to see those regular grades again. And that is the Focus Grade Simulator. Thanks for tuning in to this Byte of Tech with the Student Data team. Be sure to check out our other Focus videos because we're united for every student to succeed.